G'day, it's Luke from the Auto Innovation Centre. Today we're fitting a tow bar to one of our AIC fleet vehicles. The product's supplied by Milford, which is a company out of South Australia. They've been around for over 50 years and really well known for their tow bars and cargo barriers. Milford is an AIC champion company, so they've been a supporter of the AIC for a number of years, which we're very thankful for. The product that we're fitting is an Ult1Mate Next Gen Towbar. It's a range of tow bars that they've released recently, and it actually won the Most Innovative Design in a past division at the Australian Aftermarket Awards 2019. We'll open the box in a minute and find out exactly why that is, but one of the greatest things about this product is that it's designed, tested and manufactured out of South Australia, which is fantastic and we're very supportive of. The vehicle we're going to fit it to is the AIC 3rd Gen Isuzu D-Max. It's a hugely popular car at the moment, both in sales and product development and accessories. So if you do need to access the car for testing or design reasons, please give us a call and let us know. But let's open this box up and see what's inside it and what makes it so great. Okay, so we've got all the pieces out of the carton. They're all laid out on the bench here. Everything you need, it's pretty well organised and sealed up. But the main thing I wanted to show you was one of the key elements of this Next Gen Ult1Mate tow bar. So you see the cutouts here, they interlock into the end of the main tow bar beam. So when it's installed, it sits on the keys like that. And it's actually been tested to pass the tow bar testing independently just with those keyways, which is awesome. So it's a fail-safe on top of just a normal friction joint. It's a great design and we're looking forward to getting on the car. So there we have it, all fitted. Literally took about 30 minutes. It was super easy, high quality product. Fitting instructions with the QR code on YouTube, which was pretty awesome for our hoist bay. The Ult1Mate design with the keyways made it safe to install too. So overall, great product. If you're looking for a tow bar or cargo barrier, go to milford.one, O-N-E. And if you're looking to test fit or test any products through the Auto Innovation Centre, go to autoic.com.au, check out our fleet or just give us a call. Thank you.